This sliding hold-down jig was featured in issue 96 of Shop Notes magazine. As you can see, a vertical featherboard keeps pressure down on a workpiece to give me consistent results as I cut this rabbet. The clever part is what happens when I use a push block to finish the cut. The push block lifts a catch, then when it contacts the featherboard, it pushes the piece and the featherboard on through. The secret to the jig is a pair of drawer slides. They allow the top carriage of the jig to slide along a base attached to the rip fence. Here's the catch mechanism. At its rearmost position, it drops behind the base to lock the carriage in place. Another nice feature is the adjustability of the featherboard. It slides in and out from the carriage, as well as up and down to accept different thicknesses of workpieces. Here I'm set up to cut a rabbet. I've attached a plywood auxiliary fence to the rip fence so I can bury part of the dado blade. Now to accommodate this extra thickness, I added a couple of nylon sleeves so the release plate clears the fence. You could remove these when you need to make a regular rip cut. So here's the jig in use. A featherboard on the saw table keeps pressure against the fence, and the featherboard on the jig keeps the workpiece flat against the table. Push block lifts the catch, then pushes the carriage along, moving the featherboard out of the way so I can complete the cut. And if you want to remove the jig, it's as easy as removing a drawer. Just release the catch on each drawer slide and lift the carriage off. You can get all the details about building this hold-down jig in issue 96 of Shop Notes magazine.